And here it is, the finished product. A complete overhaul, new paint, new components, everything. Everything has changed since the last video. So I've rebuilt this bike because I'm doing a nice 900-kilometer bikepacking trip around Lake Ontario this summer. With the extra weight, I decided to go to a solid front fork. I've upgraded to hydraulic disc brakes. I'm continuing to use the Mezcal 29 by 2.1 tires. See the old ones in the back there? Put a proper headset bearing on. A much higher handlebar for just the added comfort for the long distance. I purchased these handlebar grips again because they have a great palm support. New seat. I've gone to a 1x system up front. New pedals, new crank, new bottom bracket. I've upgraded to a good bottom bracket this time around. So it is a 1x8. We'll have to see how that works. Never had a 1x system before. But these tires are gonna get some good miles on them. I'm very pleased with the finished product. Just got a couple other, have my bike pump, my water bottle cage. I have it set up on the front where I can put a front cage or front bike rack if I choose to. I found these cool metal, I guess, headset emblem because this is a really a no-name brand bike. And then I've got room for my back cage, which is going to connect there. Overall, very pleased with the finished product.